sunshine. So here in my hands I have my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I'm so excited to get in this box. I feel like whoever has taken over my profile, if anybody has taken over my profile, has gotten to know me so well. I feel like this person and I are connecting on a spiritual level because these boxes and bags that I've been getting from Ipsy have been out of this world amazingly good. But before I get into unboxing this, I just wanted to just say for a quick moment, I am doing this unboxing and the next unboxing without any makeup because it's summer. It's summer, so people are posting like, oh hey, I'm going to the beach and like I have this perfect body, or like, ooh, beach waves, my hair is perfect, my skin is perfect, makeup's perfect. And every time I log onto social media, there's somebody on there that I'm like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty, and I sit there and I start comparing myself to them, and I just feel the confidence that I normally have in myself like slowly ease out of my body, because I'm like, oh, my skin doesn't look like that, or my hair doesn't look like that, my nails don't look like that, my makeup doesn't look like that. And so I just get stuck in this cycle in my head of, oh, I need to do this to improve myself, because I don't ever see anybody on social media posting their imperfections. I don't see anybody on social media ever being like, this is actually what I look like in everyday life, and like it's totally cool that I look this way. Like, I love being glam, I love being like feeling put together, but that's not my everyday life. Me looking like this is my everyday life. So as somebody who's normally very, very self-confident, and I'm noticing that I'm having this negative thought process in my own mind, for those of you who aren't as self-confident as I am, I can't even imagine what you're going through right now. So I just wanted to post this and be like, hey, it's okay if you don't look like that. It's okay if you don't feel super good about yourself because you don't look like the people on social media. I wanted just to do my part and be like, hey, this is what I naturally look like my nails are a mess, stained blue from washing my hair, and my hair is a mess, and this is my skin without any makeup on, just for you to have somebody to relate to and know that it's okay to be happy and live your best life without feeling like you need to perform on social media or look like the people on social media all the time. So with that little rant over, let us see what's inside of this box. I am so excited. This is like my favorite thing to do is box with you guys. So it says Glam Bag Plus, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And this month we have yellow styrofoam. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna pull out the first thing that I see is this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I think I got this in my Boxycharm a little while ago, but I can't believe we got something from It Cosmetics in here. Like, oh my goodness gracious. Okay, hold on. Like, that's amazing. A full size, this was $20. If you have never heard of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this was $20, and I've already gotten a full size mascara from a brand that I'm pretty familiar with. I've gotten a lot of their samples in my subscription boxes. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I've been wanting this for so freaking long. This is the Pixie Glow Mist. I cannot believe that this is in here. Oh my gosh, this is great. Like, Ipsy is honestly really, I haven't even opened my July Boxycharm yet. I'm doing Ipsy first, but Ipsy is giving Boxycharm a run for their money. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, so my skin, this is my skin now. Let's do a before and after. Before, I'm looking a little greasy, but oh, it does not taste good, but oh my gosh. Do you guys feel like my chest definitely looks a lot more glowy. But that mister was amazing. I'm sorry for playing with the plastic, but that mister was amazing. It's literally like so fine. It's like gentle little mist across my face instead of like sprinkling rain on my face. Oh my gosh, Ipsy, are you serious? Like, okay, this is from Pixie. If you've never heard of Pixie, so two name brands that I recognize inside my Ipsy. Normally I trust Ipsy to like send me products from brands that I've never heard of, but yes, this is amazing. Okay, are you serious? Are you freaking serious right now? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm like, I can't even, like, right now, this is, I cannot believe I have a freaking highlighter palette from Huda Beauty in my Ipsy. Oh my god, Ipsy, I need a Glam Bag Plus every week. Like this, I am so shocked right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it says, if there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, it says prep, apply Fiji as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Then it says set, dab, I don't even know how to say this word, Seychelles, from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. And then 4, I'm so sorry for butchering this pronunciation. Apply Tahiti under cheekbones and add dimension and shape. 4, flush. Sweep Zanzibar on apples of your cheeks for healthy glow. I cannot believe that I have this. I have wanted to buy something from Huda Beauty for such a long time, but I've never felt like I was like, oh no, like maybe I could save the money for something else. And I'm so, I'm so excited. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh, and we still have 3 more things. So that's 6 things in this month's box. Ipsy, you're gonna make me cry. I cry, even though you probably didn't understand what I'm saying. You're gonna make me cry. I'm like so shocked right now. Like, this is such a good box. Okay, never mind, it's not 6 things. I thought this was a face mask. It's not. It's just a sheet. So we got 5 things inside this month's box. This is Bright Eyes Dark Circles Radiance from Gold Faded MD. Problem for tired eyes. Have you seen my eyes, guys? Actually, my dark circles aren't as bad as they used to be. It's like stopped sleeping for a good while, but let's see what this does, because I'm all about like getting rid of these dark circles. Ooh, do we feel like it made a difference? I feel like there's a little bit of a difference. Like, it doesn't look like this side looks darker than this side, but it's just a little bit. Like, I feel like I look more awake. Hold on, is this really magic right now? Like, is this magic in a bottle? Because I think it might be. Oh my gosh, do I look more awake? Do I look 20 years younger even though I'm only 21? Do I look like a child? Okay, it has like a little bit of a cooling sensation. I feel like I look more awake and alive. Magic in a bottle. Oh my gosh. Okay. Visibly brightens the eye area. Check. Yes, I feel like that totally did that. I don't know. I'm afraid that I'm like not actually seeing a difference. No, I definitely see a difference. There's not nearly as much purple under my eyes as there was. Magic in a bottle. Reduces the appearance of under eye puffiness and fatigue. Minimizes the appearance of fine lines. Holy crap. I love getting skincare, this full-size skincare products in my Ipsy. Ipsy's been killing it. Okay. And then the last thing that I received is this Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, lightweight, oil-free gel cream. And then it says beauty through Asian wisdom. Okay, and then it has like watermelons all over the package. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I hope it smells like watermelon. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so it has a little bit of a watermelon scent, not super overpowering, but oh my gosh, it feels like very water, like the water gel kind of moisturizer. Very, very, very light watermelon. Like, I'm saying so light. Why does my face look a little bit more red now? Or maybe I just need to sleep, but I don't know. I feel like this looks a little bit more red now. I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but oh my goodness. Okay, so in my July Ipsy, I got a moisturizer, which smells like watermelon. It's not like a plain Jane moisturizer. I got a under eye brightener. I got a mascara from It Cosmetics. I got a whole highlighter palette from Huda Beauty, and I got a glow mist from Pixie, which I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. I want this box more often in my life. I cannot express to you guys how absolutely thrilled I am with this. Just to read through pricing real quick, the Huda Beauty highlighter palette has a retail value of $45. The Pure Lease Watermelon Aqua Balm has a retail value of $45. The Pixie by Petra Glow Mist has a retail value of $15. The It Cosmetics Mascara has a retail value of $24. And the Gold Fadden MD Bright Eyes has a retail value of $55. I spent $20 on this box. Ipsy, sis, you are killing it. Please don't change. I haven't opened my Boxycharm, but Boxycharm has not had a good rep with me recently. They have started to get better, but you have come out of the gates and you have been killing it. Thank you so much for such an amazing month. I'm like so freaking hyped right now. But that is everything that I received in my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. What do you guys think of this month's box? Like, isn't it amazing? Or do you think it's not amazing? I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.